Imagine having a memory so powerful that you could remember every face you've ever seen, every path you've ever traveled, and even things that happened decades ago. While humans often struggle to remember what they ate for breakfast, some animals have a memory so advanced, so precise, that it seems almost supernatural. Today, we're revealing the most incredible animals with super memory abilities, creatures that never forget a friend, a danger, or even a grudge. And trust me, you won't believe which animal takes the #1 spot. Elephants, the ultimate memory masters. When people say, an elephant never forgets, they're not joking. Elephants have one of the most advanced memories in the animal kingdom. These gentle giants can remember locations, faces, and even emotions for decades. In the wild, elephants need to travel vast distances to find water, and they rely on memories passed down from older matriarchs to guide them to hidden watering holes, even if they haven't been there in years. But it's not just places they remember. Elephants have the ability to recognize humans and other elephants after decades apart. Scientists have seen elephants reuniting with old friends after 20+ years, and even grieving over the bones of lost loved ones. And don't even think about hurting an elephant, because they never forget an enemy. There have been cases where elephants recognized and attacked hunters who hurt them years ago. With their massive brains and deep emotional intelligence, elephants truly have a memory that never fades. 2 dolphins, the smartest minds in the ocean. Dolphins are not only one of the most intelligent animals on Earth, but they also have a long-term memory that rivals even humans. A study found that dolphins can recognize the voices of other dolphins they haven't seen in 20+ years. Their memory is so powerful that they remember specific whistles. Each dolphin has a unique name in the form of a whistle, and dolphins never forget the whistles of their closest friends. They also have an incredible ability to remember past experiences and use that knowledge to solve problems. In the wild, dolphins remember dangerous locations and avoid them for years, and they've even been seen recognizing and greeting humans they met long ago. Imagine having a best friend from childhood, and even if you were separated for 30 years, the moment you meet again, you still remember each other. That's what dolphins do. 3 ravens and crows, the ultimate revenge seekers. Crows and ravens are known for their astonishing intelligence, but their memory skills are downright scary. These birds are capable of recognizing human faces and remembering them for life. In experiments, researchers wearing masks would annoy a group of crows. Years later, even if the researchers changed clothes or were in a different setting, the crows would immediately recognize and attack them. But here's the craziest part. Crows teach each other who their enemies are. A crow that sees a human being dangerous will warn its friends and offspring, so even crows who were never attacked will know to avoid or seek revenge on that person. These birds never forget a face and can hold grudges for generations. 4 chimpanzees, the memory champions. Chimpanzees are our closest relatives, and their memory skills are superhuman. In scientific tests, chimps have been shown to memorize number sequences faster than humans. In fact, some chimps can look at a group of numbers for just 1/5 of a second and perfectly recall their order, something even trained humans can't do. But it doesn't stop there. Chimps also remember faces, places, and events for years. In one study, chimpanzees recognized old friends they hadn't seen in over a decade. Their ability to recall past experiences helps them navigate their complex social groups, remember which foods are safe to eat, and even recall where to find the best resources. With memory power like this, chimpanzees prove that intelligence and memory go hand in hand. 5 dogs, the best memory for people they love. Dogs are famous for their loyalty and strong emotional memory. If you've ever had a dog, you know that they never forget their owners, even after years apart. There have been countless stories of dogs recognizing their humans after being separated for a decade or more, running up to them with pure joy as if no time had passed. Dogs also have a powerful memory for places and routines. They remember the paths they walk, the sound of their owner's car, and even the specific times they get food. And if a dog experiences trauma or mistreatment, they never forget it. Many rescue dogs continue to fear specific objects, people, or environments linked to past abuse, even if they haven't encountered them in years. A dog's memory is driven by emotion, love, and experience, making them one of the most heartfelt and unforgettable creatures in the world. 6. Horses, the masters of recognition. Horses have exceptional memory skills, especially when it comes to recognizing humans and other horses. They can remember the faces, voices, and even emotions of people they've interacted with, even if it's been years since their last encounter. Studies have shown that horses can also recall previous experiences and training routines, making them one of the smartest animals in terms of learning and adapting. If you treat a horse kindly, they will remember and trust you for life. But if you betray their trust, they'll never forget that either. 7. Sea lions, the ocean's memory machines. Sea lions have been found to possess some of the best long-term memory among marine animals. Scientists trained sea lions to associate symbols with actions. Then, a decade later, without any refresher training, the sea lions still remembered the meanings of the symbols. This means sea lions have a memory comparable to dolphins and primates, helping them navigate their environment and remember complex social hierarchies. 8. Parrots, the talkers who remember everything. Parrots are famous for their ability to talk, but their real superpower is their long-term memory. Some parrots, like African greys, can remember hundreds of words, people, and even full conversations for years. There have been cases where parrots recognize their owners' voices after being separated for decades. Not only that, but they remember the words people taught them, even after years of not practicing. Parrots don't just mimic words, they understand and recall them, making them some of the most intelligent birds on the planet. Memory is one of the most powerful tools in nature, and these animals prove that some creatures never forget. From elephants who remember old friends and enemies, dolphins who recall voices for decades, crows who hold lifelong grudges, and dogs who never forget the ones they love, these animals have memory skills that put humans to shame. Which of these incredible memory masters amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing animal facts. See you in the next wild adventure!